Today we are going to study about asexual reproduction in plants. Let's study with teacher Giselle.
Hello there, young scientists! I hope you are ready as I am for today's adventure. I am teacher Giselle. Welcome to Science 5, where learning becomes easy when we explore. Reminder, please prepare your module, paper, and ball pen. The objective of our lesson today is to discover everything about the different modes of reproduction in flowering and non-flowering plants. Over the past month, people throughout the world are turning to gardening to keep busy during the pandemic and to be more self-sufficient. Can you still recall the function of the reproductive part of the flowering plants? I hope you do. Let's have a review. Are you ready? Number 1. Which part holds and catches the pollen grains? A. Anther. B. Stigma. C. Ovary. D. Style. The correct answer is B. Stigma. Number 2. What part of the flower connects the stigma and the ovary? A. Filament. B. Stamen. C. Pistil. D. Style. The correct answer is D. Style. Number 3. What part of the flower produces and contains pollen grains? A. Anther. B. Style. C. Stigma. D. Ovary. The answer is A. Anther. Great job, kids! I know you did well in this activity. Have you ever been in a farm or in a backyard vegetable garden? Have you seen and eaten this? Banana, sweet potato, ginger, and onion. Did you ever ask yourself how you can reproduce or multiply these spices and food? Yes, we all do. That is why, in this lesson, I will bring you to the land of asexual propagation. All living things reproduce. This is called reproduction. Through reproduction, plants continue to exist on Earth. Plants reproduce flowers. Different plants reproduce in different ways. One way is through asexual reproduction. Asexual propagation involves in taking a part of one parent plant and causing it to regenerate itself into a new plant. Some plants grow from runners. Modified stems do not grow underground, but instead crawl along the ground. They are called runners. Examples of runners are strawberries and carabao grass. Other plants have modified stems or roots that are enlarged and serve as food storage. These parts grow underground, and new plants can sprout from them. They are called tubers. Tuber is a fleshy underground stem or roots. Examples of tubers are sweet potato and potato. Another modified stems and roots is rhizome. It is horizontally growing. This is an example of rhizome. The sucker, the mother plant, and small sucker. The arrow down is the rhizome. Examples of rhizomes are banana, ginger, and lotus. Another way of propagating plant is through bulb. It is a round stem with fleshy leaves. The best examples of bulb are onion and tulip. Next one is corn. It is a short, vertical stem. Examples of corn are gabi and taro. Some plants grow from stem cutting. Examples of stem cutting are gumamela, rose, bougainvillea, and sugarcane. New plants can also arise from the leaves of few plants called leaf cutting. The new plants grow along the edges of the parent plant's leaves. Examples of leaf cuttings are katakataka and begonia. How are you doing, kids? I hope you learned more about the different modes of reproduction in flowering and non-flowering plants. Are you ready for a quiz? All right, get your paper and ball pen. Identify what is asked or described. Write the letter of the correct answer. Let's begin. Number 1. Which of the following belongs to runners? A. Strawberries. B. Onion. C. Begonia. And D. Gumamela. The correct answer is letter A, strawberries. Strawberries are runner plants. Number 2. Look at the pictures. Which of these is an example of tubers? A. Sugarcane. B. Ginger. C. Taro. D. Sweet potato. If your answer is letter D, sweet potato, then you are correct. We can propagate sweet potato through tubers. Number 3. Which plant can grow through rhizome? A. Katakataka. B. Carabao grass. C. Banana. D. Onion. The correct answer is letter C, banana. Banana is an example of rhizomes. Number 4. Which plant can produce through bulb? A. Tulip. B. Katakataka. C. Rose. D. Taro. If your answer is letter A, tulip, then you are correct. Tulip is an example of bulb. Number 5. Which of them are example of leaf cutting? A. Lettuce. B. Carabao grass. C. Sweet potato. D. Katakataka. The correct answer is letter D, Katakataka. Katakataka plant can be propagated through leaf cutting. What is your score? If you got 5, very good. If you got 3 or 4, good. 2 and down, cheer up. You can still do better in our next activity. Look at the pictures that will be flashed on your screen. Rearrange the jumbled letters so you form words that name the modes of reproduction of plants where they belong. Sharpen your eyes as we begin. First picture. N, R, N, R, E, U. The answer is runner. Second picture. B, E, T, R, U. The correct answer is tuber. Third picture. Z, O, E, M, H, I, R. The answer is rhizome. Fourth picture. L, B, U, B. The correct answer is bulb. Fifth picture. M, R, O, C. The answer is corm. Sixth picture. T, E, M, S, T, C, U, T, N, I, G. The answer is stem cutting. Seventh picture. E, L, F, A, G, I, N, T, U, C, T. The correct answer is leaf cutting. How many correct answers did you get? If you got 7, very good. If you got 4, 5, or 6, good. 3 and below, study more. Today, we learned the different modes of reproduction in flowering and non-flowering plants. Good job, kids!
Okay everyone, assignment today, please you write and draw the mind mapping of understanding of asexual reproduction in plant นะคะการบ้านวันนี้ให้เรานะคะเขียนแล้วก็วาดรูปแผนผังความเข้าใจนะคะเกี่ยวกับการขยายพันธุ์พืชโดยไม่อาศัยเพศนะคะลงในสมุดแล้วก็ระบายสีให้สวยงามค่ะแล้วก็ส่งในโน้ตในไลน์กลุ่มนะคะบ๊ายบาย